In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage stock inventory levels on Xero. To get started, open Xero and sign into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, head to the top menu and click on Sales from the drop-down menu. Choose Products and Services. This is where you can create, edit, and manage the items you buy and sell, and it's the main area you will use to control your inventory settings. When you arrive on the Products and Services page, you can either click Add a new item if you want to create a product from scratch, or select an existing product if you already have items set up and just need to enable inventory tracking. This flexibility is helpful because you can use the same process whether you are setting up a brand new item or improving your current product list. Inside the item details, look for the option labeled Track this item. Check that box to enable inventory tracking. This is the key setting that allows Xero to monitor your quantities on hand and record cost of goods sold. In simple terms, that means Xero can keep track of how many units you currently have in stock, while also helping you record the cost associated with the products you sell. Once inventory tracking is turned on for the item, Xero will automatically update stock quantities when you approve sales invoices or purchase bills. This is one of the biggest advantages of using tracked inventory, because it reduces manual work and helps keep your stock records more accurate. Just make sure the information you enter for each item is correct, since your reports and stock levels will depend on it. Next, complete the purchasing details. Under the Purchase section, enter the cost price, choose the purchase account, and select the appropriate tax rate. These fields help Xero understand how much the item costs your business and how it should be recorded in your accounts. Then move to the Sales section. Enter the sale price. Choose the sales account, and select the correct tax rate there as well. This ensures your sales transactions are posted properly and that your item is ready to use on invoices and bills. After reviewing everything, click Save to apply your changes. At that point, your inventory tracked item will be ready to use in Xero and stock levels will update as you process purchases and sales. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.